A single unit of manufacturing equipment today generates terabytes of data that can be used to understand its past, current, and even future performance. According to Gartner Research, over 70% of that data goes unused when it could be a key to understanding quality and performance issues on the factory floor. Today, we'll show you how to access that data and unlock its value with Controls Advisor, a part of the ThingWorx manufacturing apps. PTC has developed the manufacturing transformation journey to help companies chart their course to continuous operational improvement through digital manufacturing, real-time intelligence, and predictive analytics. Controls Advisor directly supports business outcomes like unified connectivity and real-time issue identification, which can be found in the Understand stage of the manufacturing journey. As we've seen in the manufacturing demonstrator introduction, our manufacturing assembly demo contains a number of assembly line assets. The various systems that make up the line are equipped with both primary and secondary sensors. Primary sensors are sensors that come installed on purchased assets, while secondary sensors, also referred to as optimization sensors, are installed at the factory site and may collect data on things like environmental conditions and other factors that impact equipment performance. In our example, the robotic arm comes with a number of positional sensors. These types of assets are controlled by traditional PLCs, or programmable logic controllers. In our demo, the PLCs are connected to our ThingWorx server via Kepware, giving us immediate visibility into the status of these assets and sensor readings. The Controls Advisor app makes it very easy for a controls engineer to configure those assets and monitor their status and associated tags. Legacy equipment that may not be initially equipped with sensors can be very rapidly outfitted with secondary sensors and deliver immediate visibility of assets to the controls engineer. For example, in our demo, we've equipped the pneumatic system, the conveyors, and compressor with pressure, airflow, vibration, and motor temperature sensors. These sensors are connected through a connectivity gateway, in this case, a National Instruments MyRio. Bringing visibility by connecting this new sensor data to ThingWorx can be done either through Kepware or by connecting directly into ThingWorx. Controls Advisor gives you real-time visibility into your OPC server and notifies you instantly about device connectivity errors. Controls Advisor is fast to deploy, and you can download and install this app and visualize your shop floor data in as little as 1 hour, using it to set alarms that can trigger email and text message notifications. Manufacturers can reduce downtime and increase production output quickly without sacrificing quality and without having to rip and replace their existing systems, driving immediate value to their companies. In the next segment, we'll see how ThingWorx can unlock additional value for your maintenance teams and plant operations with the Asset Advisor application.